Hi friends, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can change the quality of your YouTube Shorts video. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So let us get started with you. And in YouTube, you can go from the main page to the Shorts section, aka Short Videos. And here, let's say if you wanted to change the quality of any of the videos, you have to first click on the three dots at the top. Then select Quality. As you can see, I have it set to automatic, and it usually automatically selects 720 quality. But you can choose a higher quality. But keep in mind that with a higher quality, you may have a little bit of trouble downloading the video if you don't have a very good internet connection. Also friends, if you click on the three dots and on Quality, you can also click Save Data, and the quality data will be saved for future videos. This is how you can change the quality of YouTube videos on short videos. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and see you soon.